Hi friend, this generator we are doing is a Blue Giant. It is 1000 kilowatt powered with YUCHAI engine YC6C1660D34. It has 6 cylinders, turbocharged and intercooled to ensure sufficient air intake. This is the radiation fan. The grill will be fixed later. This end is designed separately for the oil tank. Let's see the other side. This is the DC charger. These are the batteries for starting the engines. The generator is Chinese brand. It is economical. Controller is Smart Gen. The wiring and control panel will be done later. Any questions? Please let us know.